what we have here is our lemon cake, lemon curd cake, and I have lemon flavored cake and the lemon curd in between the layers of cake. And what I have it already crumb coated, and I'm going to go ahead and frost it and make it a little bit more just to show you what I have here. You can use buttercream, whipped cream, whatever you like, and lemon curd. And what I have here is a pre-made. I got this at a cake supply store. You can also get lemon pie filling that works great as well. The more tart, the better for me, my preference. And I found that people that actually like lemon, they like it more tart. So just keep that in mind when you're tasting different flavors. And we're just going to mix it all up together and frost our cake. One thing to keep in mind when you're making lemon buttercream is you don't want to add too much of the lemon filling or the lemon curd, or it will just make everything a soggy mess. So it is the taste, but in this case, not the more is better in the buttercream, or it'll just get all separate and be yucky. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put the cake crumbs on. Again, you can use almonds, whatever you like. Now this one here, you can do two ways. It's a little bit messy. Cut this. You could add the curd first and then the border, or the border then the curd. But when you do it that way, then it kind of goes onto the border. So I'm going to do this first today. Now you can make designs with this and drizzle it however you want, but I'm going to just take the easy way out. Kind of spread it out, not all the way to the end, about an inch or so. About like that. And then put my rosettes. And there we have a really super quick and easy lemon curd cake. Another version of the lemon cake is my strawberry lemon, and this one is a little bit more mild. If you're not really crazy with lemon, it's a little bit less. And what I have is lemon buttercream on the outside. As you can see, it looks just like the other lemon curd, but with this one here on the inside, you can use yellow or white cake. It has regular buttercream or whipped cream with sliced strawberries, the lemon buttercream on the outside, like you see, the rosettes, and the placement of the strawberries on top. So no curd on the top, or actually curd anywhere. It's just in the cake or in the buttercream or the whipped cream. So kind of retract on that. I kind of said that a little bit different. You can use lemon cake, white cake, or yellow cake, and just use the lemon buttercream. So it's just up to you on how much lemon you like. People are either really like lemon or they really hate it, so this might be a way to make in between for people that are not sure. Anyway, so all you have to do is you decorate it like the other one. Take strawberries and decorate around. Try to use about the same size strawberries. I don't like this one, it has a spot on it. And there you go with our strawberry lemon cake.